Come test drive the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth, smart device integration. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.